In this video you will learn about the top 3 content creation tools for digital marketing. Before we begin, if you find this helpful, support me by subscribing to my channel. Number 1 is Video Shop. Video Shop is available on iPhone, iPad, and Android. Video Shop is the fast and easy app to personalize your videos and share them with all your friends. These are some of the features of Video Shop. 1. Music. Integrate your favorite songs to your video. 2. Sound effects. Add animal noises, farts, explosions, applause, and more. 3. Subtitles. Type your own messages onto a video. 4. Share with friends. Share on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube, email, and more. 5. Trim. Cut out any unwanted moments. 6. Slow motion. Adjust video speed to slow or fast. 7. Combiner. Merge multiple clips into one. And many more. Number 2 is Snappa. In 5 minutes create online graphics in a snap. Whip up graphics for social media, ads, blogs, and more, even if you're not a graphic designer. Snappa saves you time every step of the way. Start with the perfect image dimensions. The perfect sized image is always one click away. Image dimensions for social media, display ads, blogs, emails, and infographics are available as clickable presets. Get a head start with pre-made templates. Don't start from scratch or stare at a blank screen ever again. Choose from thousands of pre-made templates that look professional and earn you more attention, clicks, and customers. Find free high-res stock photos inside Snappa. Get access to 3 million plus free, high-resolution, and totally not cheesy stock photos. You don't need to scour multiple stock libraries, worry about usage rights, or pay for the best background images anymore. Add text, graphics, and effects in seconds. Create whatever you've imagined in seconds. Choose from 200 plus fonts, 100,000 plus vectors and shapes, and play with photo effects until your graphic is perfect. No design experience required. Schedule and share your graphics instantly. Share your graphics to Facebook, Twitter, and other popular social media platforms without leaving Snappa. Save even more time when you connect your buffer account and pre-schedule your posts. Resize your best graphics in a couple of clicks. Never make the same stunning graphic more than once. In 2 clicks, you can turn your Twitter header into a Facebook cover, your Instagram post into a Pinterest pin, or a Facebook ad into a billboard ad. Number 3 is Clear Voice. Clear Voice provides you with talent to power your content marketing. Creating with you, for you, to grow your brand. Below are some of the brands and agencies that depend on Clear Voice. How it works. Their content marketing platform is like a playground for content people, where brands and agencies can connect with freelancers to create great content. For brands, create better content with vetted talent and easy workflow. For agencies, manage unlimited clients, content, and talent in one place. For freelancers, pitch to brands, find quality assignments and get paid quickly. Simplify all of your content creation with Clear Voice. Easy to use content creation tools. Accelerate content production with streamlined workflow and communication. Integrations and direct publishing. Integrate with WordPress, HubSpot, PayPal, and more. Dashboards and calendars. See all your team's content, activity, progress, approvals, and funds at a glance. Access to vetted freelancers. Create better content with quality talent to fill any industry, niche, or scope. On-demand workforce. Collaborate with freelancers from their fully integrated talent network, as needed. Assignments and pitches. Expedite assignments with writer pitching, collaborative editing, in-app messaging, and more. Campaigns and personas. Assign content within campaigns and personas to sharpen strategy. Team-friendly workflow. Enjoy an automated workflow designed to help in-house teams and freelancers join forces. All in one place. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and comment for more.